Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can extract and get email addresses from any LinkedIn profile. And I'm assuming that you want to get these various people's emails to promote your product or service. Now, the only thing that you need to do is to watch this video from beginning all the way through to the end. And by the end of the video, you'll be able to grab any person's contact details like their email addresses as well as their phone numbers. And I will show you how you can extract specific contacts for only specific groups of people. Like for example, you might be interested in extracting contacts for CEOs and directors of various organizations and companies, or you might be interested in extracting contacts for students from a specific university, or you might also target a specific profession. Later on, towards the end of the video, I'll show you how you can send a customized email to various groups of people in bulk using just one single click of a button. Now, without wasting your time, let's get started. Now, the very first step, you need to open an account with SalesQL. So what you do is you launch any browser, and in your browser, you'll punch in salesql.com and hit enter key on your keyboard. It will bring you to this particular page. What you need to do is to sign up for free or create a free account. I'll just tap this button, or I can actually tap this button right here. On this screen right here, what you need to do is to create the account. You can either use your existing Google account, or you can sign in using your LinkedIn profile, or you can provide your work email and fill in these details right here. For my case, I'm going to be using my existing Gmail account, so I'll use this option right here. I'll go ahead and pick the email address, and now I can say continue. Now I need to give the company name right here, so I'll go ahead and say mine is Open Training Camp, and I can choose what I'll be using SalesQL for. Let's say marketing, and then I say continue. This will bring you to the page where you need to install the extension. Now, if you opened using Microsoft Edge, you can tap this option right here, or if you use the Google Chrome like I did, I'll just tap this option right here. Now what I need to do is to add this to my browser as an extension. So I'll choose this button, click in here once, and then I say add extension. Immediately do that, you'll see the extension downloading right here. So you just give it time. Once it finishes and the extension is installed, you'll see this particular screen. Try it on LinkedIn. After you do that, you will see the SalesQL banner added on the sides right here. And congratulations, you have successfully installed the extension. Now let us go to our step number 2. How do we extract a specific email from any LinkedIn profile? Now to do that, you'll actually come over to the search area of your LinkedIn app, and maybe I'm interested in searching for, let's say, executive directors, and hit enter key on the keyboard. Now the first results that you might see are jobs. My interest is to go to the people, so I'll tap on the people tab like so, and there you go. You can see now I have about 7,640,000 results. Maybe I would like to filter to only a specific country of my choice, so I can come in and say all filters. You'll make sure that you check all these pages, the first page, the second page, and also if the list spills up to the third page, the fourth page, or if it is 20 pages, you also tap this option right here. Now, if your location is not part of this list that you are seeing here, you can actually come and say add location, type in the country name, for example, Rwanda, and it will show up in the list. So you can just tap this option. It will be pre-ticked for you here, but I'm interested in filtering executive directors from Uganda, so I'll just remove the tick mark and place it over to to Uganda like so, and I can say show results. Now you can see I have about 13,000 results showing up right here. Now from these results, maybe I'm interested in extracting the email address for this guy right here. So I'll just tap the profile, and what I need to do is to come and open my SalesQL banner right here. So when I tap, you'll see the profile showing up right here, and I can see 2 emails have been found. I can just say reveal info and add. So let me do that. Now you can see these are the 2 emails for this particular guy. Now feel free to copy them and paste them inside your worksheet, but make sure as you collect these emails, you're not exceeding the limit. You're not supposed to go beyond 200 profile views on a daily basis. Okay, now if you'd like to extract the phone number, you can see it is actually hidden here. You only need to upgrade to the paid plan for SalesQL so that you can also grab the phone numbers. Okay, but if your interest was to send this particular person an email, maybe about your product or service, this is how you have done it. Okay, now let's assume you'd like to extract multiple numbers. What you'll do, you'll come back to your SalesQL banner right here. You can see I have a number of profiles. These profiles that are open right here, they are also open inside my SalesQL right here. Now the first thing that you do is to create a folder where you'll be keeping the contact details. So I'll just tap this particular option. I'll say new folder, and I can call this one executive directors. I can choose the color of my choice. Let me go with this one right here, create and select. Now that the folder is selected, I can tap on the profiles that I want to put in there. I can just click the plus button like so, and I can tap this guy right here. I can also tap this guy right here. Okay, now if I would like to see the multiple contacts that I've just extracted, what I'll do, I'll come back and click on more, and then I can go to the dashboard. Now when your dashboard opens, you'll come and click on this option, contact list, and you can actually move over to the executive director folder that you have just created, and you can see you have 3 profiles right there. Now if you have multiple contacts that you'd like to export into an Excel file, just as an example, you can tap this particular button right here, export, but it will require that you upgrade your plan for your SalesQL. Okay, all right, now let us assume that you have collected a number of emails and you'd like to reach out to them about your product or service. How do you send customized bulk emails? If you'd like to learn how to exactly do that, watch this video that is showing you right here. Otherwise, for now, bye-bye.